All right, guys, this is my, it's a 83rd video. Here's where I plead to people to subscribe so that maybe I can reach 1,000. I have a 415 subscribers, so if you can click subscribe, you can unsubscribe later. Just want to see if I can get to 1,000. But back to the Beetle, I put together the headlight assemblies, and I really just set them in place for now because I don't have the wiring assembly in. I mean, that is to say, the wiring harness. And so I got, that's what it's gonna look like. I mean, that looks pretty sweet in terms of the, it's dark out here, but you can see what that looks like. I had to jack up and get this Beetle up on the jack stands because I was finishing up those body bolts, but you know, that looks pretty good. This doesn't look good, but you know what? I'm just leaving it as it is. So, you know, I've made this VW symbol black because I wanted it to match this black one. This is the twins. This is Mini Me. The thing I got, so with my black grab handle, and this, so I got a, I got black knobs here. I got my, I assume this one is for the lights, and this one is for the, this one is for the windshield wipers, but I'm not sure about that. But for right now, that's the way it's set up. Headlights. Windshield wipers. What's that? Hazard lights? It's probably hazard lights, so I probably need one of those red ones. This one, kind of annoying because that's not the black knob, but I'm gonna get a black knob. I probably just need to get a whole new ashtray and set up with a black knob because it's rusted through. The little wheel is pretty crappy. It doesn't slide very well. Also, I did this fuel gauge, but I'm thinking about spending the 50 bucks to just get a real fuel gauge because I'm just kind of annoyed about the fact that under here is hollow. It doesn't have the like actual metal housing, which I like. I have here my foot bright switch, which is gonna go here. So I'm gonna probably put that in first because I've got to get my sound insulation. So I'm gonna have to clean this all off, wipe it down, and then I'm gonna grab my Silas sound insulation here. That's my rattle trap vibration dampener stuff, and I'm gonna put that on there. And man, I'm so glad to have the body bolt stuff done. This wheel, no matter what I do, it won't hold air. So I put my crappy one on. Look at all those pock marks. Super annoying that this one doesn't hold air because I've already, you know, I have 5 new tires. So, but, you know, I think overall, I'm happy with the progress here. I'm about to, I think, buy a steering wheel. What I don't know is the steering wheel I'm about to buy is off of, I think, a 66 or 67 because I like that style. It's a black one with the little half circle horn ring, and I'm going to put it on here. And then I have to get a 6-wire turn signal thing. Those ones that people want 200 bucks for that. That has to go on here. The turn signal ring, but I think it has to mate up with the correct steering wheel thing so that it does the return. Maybe they're all the same, I just don't know. But I need a 6-wire, and so I'm gonna buy one of those. And once I, you know, progressing here, and I'm gonna try to get, so I got the knobs, yeah, that looks good. I need to get, my ashtray knob needs to also be black. I just need consistency. I'm gonna fit my doors, and then I'll take them off and get the glass and get the glass off, and Golly, I gotta fill in the holes for these cowl look mirrors because I'm gonna use stock mirrors that come up off of here. Gotta figure out how in the heck I get them. I ordered the mirrors, so I gotta figure out if I need a little something special to get that to fit. Look at this, how this is chipped off. This is just, I'm gonna have to. Also, cowl look, I don't have this molding here, so I probably need new window rubber once I do the doors. But like I said, this is Lotus white. I don't know what kind of white that is, pearl white or something maybe, but I need to source some bumpers that don't cost a freaking arm and a leg. The Wolfsburg West ones look so nice, but you know, that's like $700 per bumper. So I just have to figure out, maybe I'll just pony up the money, I don't know. Okay, that's pretty much it. You know, I have my headliner. Also here, this is turned into a disorganized mess. My headliner and my headliner bows are in here. Never done that before, so I don't know. Here's more rubber, door rubber plus the window rubber. I don't have pop-outs, even though I have pop-out hinge holes. I don't have the pop-outs, so right now my plan is just cowl look, straight up rubber on these. And but you know, it looks like a Beetle now, and things are starting to fall into place. The only other thing I need to, if somebody knows why I have two round holes in my fender wells and I don't have any caps for it. If somebody knows what that is, and is that standard, and should I fabricate some round caps? I feel like if you really don't want them to leak, the cap needs to be on the wheel well side with a massive amount of like, you know, either a rubber seal or something in order to keep that from leaking. And then I guess carpet's going to go over top of that, so that's not a visibility deal, but you know, I don't want anything to leak in there. So also, I don't know what goes here. There's two holes in a place for something. I gotta look that up. All right, that's it.